Hello everyone, this is Muhammad and today we will talk about the center widget of the Flutter. So guys, this is a default project I already created. Now I will set the scaffold. Here scaffold contain a body, and here I will set an icon, and I will set icon start uh, like this, and I will set the size of the icon like 50 50 45. Okay, fine. So I need to run this project. So guys, project is run, and here you will see the uh, icon in the top corner. So I want to set in the center. So we need to set the center like this. Into just click on the visit and set the center. So guys, this will be in the center. So this is the center visits of the Flutter. So guys, follow me and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.